So, ngayon, mag-edit muna ako. And si Jan, nandito na pala si Jan. Nasabi ko na ba sa inyo nandito si Jan? Oh, nakita nyo na duman si Jan na puto lang tayo. Dumating siya bago ako magsampay. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Mamaya mag-ano ako. Alas 4 yung... What time is Sakhan? 4:15 yung... Ano ni Sak? Practice sa basketball. Tapos si Holly 6:45 to 7:15 si Holly. So, maghapon din naman ako sa sa town. And then bukas ulit si Holly. Hi, what do you want for tea? Ganda. Shoulder. Alright. Bahala ka dyan. Sige, mag-edit muna ako. Hindi ko ito matatapos. I-start ko lang. I-start ko lang ito. 1:43 na pala guys. And niluto ko yung tirang pancake mixture kanina. Ayan yung outcome.
Thought I was losing who I call myself today. In this world of illusion, didn't dare to sing my name. That was when you came along, and I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't standing next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong. Life can be unfair. I just couldn't handle it. Still smell the bitter taste of misery and unfair. I just need to love you like I do. 'Cause I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't standing next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong. I've been running away from now and everything I've seen, recalling the things I won't remember in. Remembering a feel, I can't deny it. Just wanna hide it and let it go away. But you have shown me that I can be free and face the world again. And I don't know where I would be or where I'll go if you weren't staying.
Luto na pala yung mashed potato ni Jan. Nagpang ko lang siya ng aluminum foil. And yung ating giniling luto na rin. And nagpalit na rin pala ako ng pang-walking. Mag-aalas 3 na guys. Mag-aalas 3 na. 3:15 yung labas ng mga bata. Then, mga 3:45 kami alis. So, maglakad na ako. Maglagay lang tayong sunscreen yung... Ito yung Voy nun. From Curry Shop ko to guys. Kung interesado kayo. Yung link niya nasa baba. Lagay lang ako ng sunscreen kasi kanina pa ako naglagay. So, kailangan natin mag-reapply. Okay. And nagluto na rin akong kanin. Luto na akong kanin. Ready na yung dinner mamaya. Si Jan wala pa. Nagpa-dentista si Johnny Boy. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Sombrero. Lagay tayong hot kasi mainit. So, okay na yan. Hindi tayo nakapag 5K walk today. Pero at least meron 3.39 kilometers yung walking natin. Hurry up, Mama, let's go! Where's Zachary?
Outside.
Okay. Magbihis na ako. Mahangin. Malamig yung hangin. Bihis lang tayo. Okay, put that one in your bag. Nakabihis na ako. Where's my jacket?
Is it a gray one?
Yeah.
I got new one.
Yes, it's the wind is cold and later will be cold. Yes, please. Thank you. So, dalhin ko tong jacket. Kasi gabi na kayo makakauwi. Gabi na. Siguro yan ko na yung vlog, guys. Kasi yun na yung vlog natin. Wala namang ibang ganang kakain na lang naman kami. So, ano natin yung vlog. Let's close the vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe.
See you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye, guys. Kasi 7:50 na kami makakauwi. Kasi 6:45 yung kay Holly. Until 7:15.
Mom.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye. Yes. Good morning. Today is October 18 and gumagawa ako ng breakfast para sa mga kids. Tulog pa sila kasi maaga pa. So pancake ulit yung gagawin ko sa kanila. Mini, pero this time iniba ko yung recipe compare kahapon. So tingnan natin kung magustuhan nila to. So ayan na yung breakfast ng mga bata and gising na sila at nakabihis na. So, may hot chocolate with marshmallow this time kasi kahapon nakalimutan ko. So, breakfast time.
Thank you, Mom.
Welcome.
Thanks for the hard work.
Oh, this is yours, yeah? Okay.
Mommy, can you bring
Yeah, I'll bring that one, Baba. Just leave it there. Ayaw nilang gumamit ng knife. Good, Zaki?
Yes.
How about you, yeah?
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly been through it all. You're the
Yeah.
one who understands.
Bye. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Today is October 19. Nilulutuan ko sila ng oatmeal. Nilalagyan ko siya ng fruits on top. So, nilagyan ko lang to ng cinnamon and honey. Tulog pa sila. Ayan yung breakfast nila today. So, i-insert ko lang to sa mga vlogs kasi hindi ako nag-vlog today. So, pinapakita ko lang yung anong breakfast nila every morning. Ready na yung breakfast ng mga bata. Kaso tulog pa sila. And tinimplan ko sila ng, ayan, black slim, yung cucumber and the London Beauty Juice. Kasi gusto rin to nila. Si kuya nagustuhan niya na to. So, ayan, tinimplan ko na sila. Hintayin ko na lang silang magising. And ready na rin yung kanilang lunch. Ang lunch nila today is smiley frites with cheese and tomato sauce. Then, kuha sila ng fruits and snacks sa pantry. And kahapon, gumawa ako ng ice. Ito siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng mint and meron siyang food supplement na pwede rin sa pangbata, 2 years old and up. So, ilalagay ko to dun sa kanilang cucumber, the London juice. Ang cute, may lemon, may lime, and meron din akong, anong lime? Mint from my tanim, ayan. And meron din akong lemon, yung zest. Pero ito yung gagamitin natin today sa kanila. Lagay natin doon sa kanilang cucumber and the London, yan. So, nilagay ko na yung iced mint natin. Si Holly gising na. Si Holly pa lang yung gising sa 3. Ayan, nilagay na natin dyan sa kanilang drinks. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ayan na sila. Kain na sila ng breakfast. Okay, eat your breakfast now. And,
You're the best mom.
In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how.
hindi ako nag-vlog today, guys. Pero ipakita ko sa inyo yung aming dinner ngayong October 19. So, meron ako dyan na adlay rice, salad, chicken adobo, rice ng mga bata, and meron pa ako yung ginawang mushroom spinach slash roast potato. Hinihintay lang namin si Jan tsaka si Kuya kasi may golf lesson si Kuya ngayon. So, pero tinawagan ko, pauwi na raw sila. Kaya niready ko na yung chicken para warm pa ba
I already
siya.
know what chicken I'm getting. Mom,
What?
that one's mine.
Alright. I think they're here. Oh.
Mom, look.
Dito na sila. Alam na kasi ni Sak kung anong chicken yung kukunin niya. Gino-joke siya ni Jan na yun din ang gusto niya. So, kain na kami, guys. Baka bukas mag-vlog ako. Isama ko na lang to. We'll see. Kasi walang pasok bukas yung mga bata. Friday kasi merong show sa Mount. So, yung mga bata ay pupunta sa show. Pero kami hindi kasi si Jan may work. Diba? Kain.
Mom, do you have any more rice?
Why?
Because we're running out.
I don't know. I think I have a little there. 4 cups yun. Oh. What do you think, Zach?
Good.
Good. You sure ano? Where's your fork?
Mine.
Ay, pakita.
Oh, that's good.
Yum. Wow, you got 2, Han? You're so hungry too.
I got a big one, Dad. You should have got this one.
Ito pala yung ginawa kong mushroom na may spinach, lemon, may roast potatoes, parmesan cheese, at iba pa. Ayan siya. Sarap. Hot? Ah, you ate the pepper. Wala nang rice. Kunin ko yung rice. So, yeah, i-continue ko na lang tong vlog next time. Next time. Kaya na sila. Kami pala.
Cause